Now example number 6, the angle of depression of top and bottom of an 8 meter tall building from the top of multi-stored building are 30 and 45. Find the height of multi-stored building and distance between two buildings. Now try to understand the question. The angle of depression of a top and bottom of 8 meter tall building from top of multi-stored building means multi-stored building is higher. Multi-stored building is higher than building. Okay? From the top of multi-stored building, the angle of depression of a top and bottom of 8 meter tall building, yani building is 8 meter tall, and from the top of multi-stored building, the angle of depression of a top and bottom are 30 and 45. Actually, I am standing on a multi-stored building and I want to see the top of building. Multi-stored building and building. Multi-stored building is higher and building is lower. And from the top of multi-stored building, if I want to examine the top of building, then the angle of depression is 30. Angle of depression is 30. And still I want to examine the bottom of the building, and still I want to look at little down. So angle of depression is more if I want to examine the bottom of the building. Let the top of the building depression is 30, meaning 30, that is the top, the 30, and this is 45 depression. Okay. Find the height of multi-stored building, and distance between two buildings. Let the height of multi-stored building is AB, building is CD, and this is E point. Okay. Now this is rectangle. E, B, D, C is rectangle. So opposite sides are same. 8. Let BD be X. X to X side. Opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. Now wherever the angle, you have to take that triangle. So 45, yani ABD, this triangle. In triangle ABD, tan 45 degree equal to tan 45 is AB upon BD. Tan 45 is 1, AB and BD is X. So AB is also X. Chalo, now અહીંયા જો AB is X, but ED is 8. So AE is X minus 8. શું થાય? X is greater, so X minus 8. Got it? Now second angle and take that triangle is AEC triangle. In triangle AEC, tan 30 degree is AE, yani P by B, AE upon EC. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AE is X minus 8. Is X minus 8. And EC, the opposite sides of the rectangles are same, is 8, X, X. So this is also X. Right? So EC is X. So X is equal to cross multiplication. X is equal to root 3x minus 8 root 3. So 8 root 3 is equal to root 3x minus x. Yes. Right? So 8 root 3 equal to x common. Root 3 minus 1. So 8 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1 is x. But in the denominator root exists, so it is not a fair answer. So try to remove root from the denominator by rationalization. So x is 8 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. 8 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1, and rationalize it in standard 9, root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. Now multiplication inside 8 root 3 into root 3. Root 3, 3 into 8, 8 3s are 24. So 8 root 3 into root 3 is 24 plus 8 root 3 into 1. So that is 8 root 3. Now 1 time plus 1 time minus, root 3 square minus 1 square. Any 24 plus 8 root 3 is square root cancel is 3 minus 1. So 24 plus 8 root 3 is 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 common from the numerator because I want to cut 2. 2 common. Any 12 plus 4 root 3 upon 2 cancel. Yani 12 plus 4 root 3. Okay, or you can also make common 4. 4 ne common karo. 4 3s are 12. 3 plus root 3. 4 common. 3 plus root 3, that is x. X means distance between two buildings as well as the multi-stored building. Height is also x. Okay, then height of multi-stored building is x. So height of multi-stored building equal to x equal to 4 3 plus root 3, as well as distance between two buildings is x is also 4 into bracket 3 plus root 3 is your answer. Okay. Example number 7. From a point on a bridge, across a river. Yani there is a river, and on the river breeze is there, and there is a point on the breeze. The angle of depression of the bank on opposite side. The angle of depression of opposite bank. Bank એટલે એના છેડા, કિનારો. નદીના બંને કિનારા હોય એનું depression, opposite bank of the river. In this chapter, the most important thing is how to understand the question. Actually, what does it want to say? Right? Then try to read. Now, not try to. Actually, you have to read the question 2 times and understand properly. Then after, draw a figure, fair figure. Opposites, depression of opposite bank of the river are 30 degree and 45 degree. If the bridge is at a height of, if bridge is at the height of 3 meter from the bank, find the width of the river. Okay. Now start. From a point on a bridge across a river. Let it be river, width of the river, and as now river is flowing in this direction, like, but these are the two ends. width of the river. Length we cannot measure. Length of the river can be measured? No. Where it origin and finally meet in any ocean, right? So length we cannot measure, but the width. This is the width of river, and on the width of river, let it be there a breeze check. Okay? And from any point which is 3 meter. Now on the breeze, anywhere a point on the breeze, let it be A is a point from a person is standing on the breeze and examining the depression of opposite bank. Depression of opposite bank are 30 and 45. Lesser the distance less, angle more, the angle is 45, and distance more, then angle is less, 30 degree. And the breeze height from the river is 3 meter. समझ में आ रहा है? 3 meter. Then you have to find the width of the river. That width of the river is A, B, C and D. Then you have to find BC. Now 30 degree, then alternative angles is 30 and 45. That angle DCA is also 45. Now in respective two triangles where the angles are given, then in triangle ABD, tan 30 degree equal to tan 30 in this triangle, tan 30 P by B is AD upon BD. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, AD is 3 and BD. So BD is 3 root 3 number 1, yani BD. Now from this triangle I can find BD, from this triangle I can find CD, but BD plus CD, that is BC, that is the total width of the river. Now in triangle ADC, tan 45 is, because 45, tan 45 is P by B, yani AD upon DC. Tan 45 is 1, AD is 3 upon DC. So DC equal to 3 meter, because all is given in meter, all in meter, 3 meter. Now width of the river is BD plus BC is 3 root 3 plus 3. Root 3 is in numerator and root 3 is not given in the question. So just common 3 and root 3 plus 1 meter, that is the width of river. Okay. So now some sums from the exercise. Aji and Kale, in today's lecture as well as tomorrow's lecture, tomorrow will be the doubt lecture. Okay. Example number 6, question number 6 in the exercise. Question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eye, same as in example, eyes, to the top of building increases from 30° to 60° as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay? Let building A, B is building, is the height of building, AB is. Now boy is 1.5 meter tall, ABCD is 1.5 meter tall boy. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. Yani the height of the building is 30 meter is given. And the boy is standing at some distance from the 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increases from 30 to 60 from his eyes. His angle of elevation from his eye increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. यानी lesser the distance, હવે અહીંયા આવી ગયો, પહેલા અહીંયા હતો, અહીંયાથી angle of elevation is 30°. Now after walking towards building, distance is EF, let it be. DE is TF જેટલું distance travel કર્યા પછી the person is standing in this position and the distance is less than the angle of elevation from that point is 60°. Angle of elevation is increases from 30 to 60 when this boy walked towards the building. Then you have to find the distance, how much distance he walked. Okay. Chalo, A, B, C, D, E, F and let it be G. Okay. Look, this is a 1.5. So it's a rectangle. All this distance is 1.5. Got it? They are all perpendicular. 1.5. Now this height of AB is 30. So AG is 30 minus 1.5. That is 28.5. So wherever the angle, try to find that sides of the triangle. So this is 30, AB is 30, this distance is 1.5. So AG is, then this distance is 30 minus 1.5 is 28.5. So this distance is 28.5. Right? 28.5. Now in triangle, angle is given here. So AEG triangle. G. Tan 60°. Tan 60 is AG upon EG. Tan 60 is √3. AG is 28.5 upon EG. So EG is 28.5 upon √3. Number 1 means I got that this much distance, means at no distance. Now 30° means this triangle. 30°. AGC ma. In triangle AGC. Tan 30°. Tan 30. Yani P by B. AG upon GC. AG upon GC is this whole distance, because the big triangle is AG upon GC. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AG is 28.5 upon GC. So GC is 28.5 root 3. Number 2, GC. Now in triangle, figure out GC and BD are the opposite sides of the rectangle. They are equal. So BD is જેટલું GC છે એટલું BD છે. So BD is 28.5 root 3. Right? આખું 28.5. And EG, EG is equal to 28.5 upon root 3. So this distance FG is 28.5 upon root 3. This much distance. So DB minus FB whole minus this, yani this distance that he walked towards the building. And you have to find a building side કેટલું ચાલ્યો, તો DF જેટલું ચાલ્યો ત્યારે એનો એંગલ ઓફ એલિવેશન છે 30 માંથી 60 થઈ ગયો. તો તમારે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું હતું DF. તો કેવી રીતે મળે DF? BD minus BF. So DF BD minus BF, then the BD is 28.5 root 3 minus BF is 28.5 upon root 3. Root 3 LCM, 28.5 root 3 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. Now in the numerator 28.5 common, 3 minus 1 upon root 3. Now 3 minus 1 is 2. Now still 28.5 into 2 root 3, then rationalize with root 3. So 28.5 into 2 into root 3. 28.5 into 2 into root 3, but root 3 3. 3 की कट है. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 0.35 are 9.5. 9.5 into 2 into root 3. So 19 into root 3. So DF is 19 into root 3, but root 3 is not given. Let me check the answer. It was 6 number. 9.1. अरे यार आमा तो छे नहीं. आंसर નથી પાછળ ફાટી ગઈ છે ચોપડી. બુક જ નથી. चलो आने मल्टीप्लाई करो એટલે आंसर આવે 19 into root 3. ओके बीजी टेक्स्ट बुक ट्राई करो. चलो મારી પાસે આના આન્સર્સ નથી, એક પેજીસ ફાટી ગયા છે પાછળથી. જોઈ લેજો તમે. ઓકે Now 9.1 exercise. Question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of pedestal. આપણે ગાંધીજીનું સ્ટેચ્યુ બી હોય ને, તો ડાયરેક્ટ સ્ટેચ્યુ is not lying on the floor, but some pedestal, and on the pedestal the statue of person or any person is arranged on the top of pedestal. This is pedestal, यानी base, pedestal. It is pedestal, not a pedestal. Pedestal and a statue. A statue which is 1.6 meter. This is 1.6 meter tall statue. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the pedestal from the point on the ground. Now a person is standing on the point of the ground. The angle of elevation of a top of statue. The angle of elevation is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of a top of pedestal, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees given. Got it? A pedestal, and on the pedestal statue is lying, and the height of statue is 1.6. Then the figure is like this. any fair figure draw करिए. Is the pedestal and this is the height of the statue on the pedestal, which is 1.6 meter, and angle of elevation of a top of statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the pedestal is 45 degree is given. Then find the height of the pedestal. When you want to find height of the pedestal A, B, C and D, then you want to find BD, height of the pedestal. Okay, wherever the angle, take that triangle. यानी 45 this is. तो x ले लिए, okay, and y ले लिए और h ले लिए, is the height of pedestal. In triangle DBC, tan 45 is h upon x. Tan 45 is 1 is h upon x. So h is equal to x, number 1. Right? Now another triangle that is 60 degree means big triangle. Tan 60 degree ABC triangle. Tan 60 degree is P by B, that is AB upon BC. Tan 60 is √3 from the box. AB is h plus 1.6. This is h and the height of the statue is 1.6. Yani h plus 1.6. And BC is x. What I have to find that is the height of the pedestal, yani h I have to find. So in place of h I can write x, in place of x I can substitute the value h, because from 1 h is equal to x. h અને x તો બંને સરખા છે, તો x ની જગ્યાએ h પણ મૂકી દો from 1. So √3h is equal to h plus 1.6. So √3h minus h is 1.6. So h common. √3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So h is 1.6 upon √3 minus 1 and rationalize with rationalizing factor √3 plus 1. So h is 1.6 into √3 plus 1, and in the denominator 1 time plus 1 time minus, that is a square minus b square, that is √3 square minus 1 square. Formula 1 time plus 1 time minus a square minus b square. So 1.6 √3 plus 1, 3 square root cancel, 3 minus 1 yani 2. 2 divided by 1.6 yani 0.8. So 0.8 √3 value yani 1.73 plus 1. 0.8, 1.73 plus 1 is 2.73, and whatever the answer is the height of the pedestal. Okay, multiply करवाना तो हमारे 2.184 meter. That is the height of pedestal. Question number 11. Now question number 14 करिए. 15 नहीं आवड़े, હું તમને કાલે 15 કરાવીશ. 14 and 15 કરાવી દો. ચલો 14 નંબર. A 1.2 meter tall girl sport a balloon moving with wind in a horizontal line. At a height (88.2 meter) from the ground. The angle of elevation of a balloon from her eye at any instant is 60 degree. Is very important. Number 14 and 15 is most important. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon. Find the distance traveled by the balloon. Chal. A 1.2 meter, A, B is 1.2 meter tall girl. 1.2 meter tall girl sport a balloon. एक balloon जो है sport a balloon a 1.2 meter tall girl spot a balloon moving with a wind in a horizontal line. This balloon is moving in a horizontal line, right? At a height of 88.2 meter. The height of the balloon is 88.2 meter from the ground is given. The angle of elevation of a balloon from her eye at a one instant, at a first instant, and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. After some time, balloon is moving with the wind in a horizontal direction. So it is away from the eyesight of the girl. Meaning away from the girl. So the distance is more. Now after some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. 1.2. Okay, now 88.2 minus 1.2. 88 minus 1.2, 88 minus 1 is 87 meter. This much distance. Got it? Akku, the height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2, but the height of the girl is 1.2. So she is examining from her eye. So the distance from her eyesight from the ground to this distance is 87. 88.2 minus 1.2, 0, 7, 87. Okay. Now naming A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Now wherever the angle, take that triangle. First of all 60 degree. 60 degree एक और triangle लगाना. This is 60 degree. 60 degree. Angle of elevation is 87. Is 87. Okay. In this triangle. In triangle AEG, tan 60 degree. EG upon AE is √3. EG is 87 upon AE. Hence AE is 87 upon √3. Number 1. Now another angle is, this is 30 degree is given. So this triangle. The angle of elevation after some time reduces to 30 from 60. Then 30 degree. So AFH in triangle. Tan 30 degree is FH minus AF upon AF. FH upon AF. FH upon AF. Now FH is 87. Tan 30 is 1 upon √3 of AF. So AF is 87 √3. Okay. Now AF etrush BD, so that is 87 √3, right? And AE, this AE distance equal to 87 upon √3. So CD equal to distance travelled by the balloon. So CD is equal to BD minus BC. 87 √3 minus 87 upon √3. 87 into LCM √3, 3 minus 87 upon √3. 87 common. Then 3, यहाँ 3 कर दे minus 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2 upon √3. Now rationalize with √3. 87 into 2 into √3. √3, 3. 3 2s are 6. 9s are 58 into √3. 58 into √3, that is CD and that is GH. The GH is the distance that travelled by the balloon, that you have to find the distance travelled by the balloon. That's 58 into √3. 58 into 1.732 approx. His answer is 58 into 1.732. Answer is 100.45. 100.45, here about 100 meter distance travelled by the balloon. Okay. Now, चलो यहाँ रखिए. Try yourself. Only 15 number question is not in homework, else all the exercise. And tomorrow, request you to complete your homework as early as possible and send me doubt that I can make a video of the doubts.